is Connor Regent, and I'm here to show you how to make a paper airplane. First, fold the paper lengthwise. I don't know, that one.
Lengthwise.
Lengthwise.
Mm-hmm.
And step, I don't know what that means. Step 2, crease the folded end. Crease it. No, like this. Like, straighten it. Like this. Like, put it here, then push it. Step 3, unfold the paper and lay it on the flat surface. Step 4, fold the right top corner to the center line. Step 5, crease the diagonal fold. Step 6, fold the left top corner to the center line. Crease the diagonal fold. Step 8, fold the new right top corner to the center line. Step 9, crease the folded end. Step 10, crease step 8 and 9, this time with the new left top corner. Fold the step 11, fold the sheet lengthwise inward along with the line.
Connor, you didn't do the other side. Hold it up and show everybody what theirs should look like. Takes a village. Okay, now fold it in half.
Step 12, crease the fold end.
Show them what you did.
Step 13, fold the top flap down so that its front touches the bottom plane. Step 14, crease the fold end. the other flap as you did
Lainey.
in steps 13 and 14.
Lainey.
Steps 16. Flip.
Flaps. Lift the flaps.
Lift the flaps to create the wings.
Lift the flaps to create the wings. Y'all got that? Okay. Now, is it ready?
Yes.
Okay. Now, you want to fly it? Fly it and see if you can get it back there toward Alex.
I have to make the wings much more bigger.
Okay.
What's bigger?
Connor, is this right?
Yeah.
This right.
Lift your wings up a little bit,
I got the
like Kylie's.
I got the tip different. Like this. I got the tip different. Like this.
Okay, let's let Connor fly it. Are you ready, Connor?
I don't know. The wings are kind of like.
That's okay. Let's see what it'll do.
They'll just like.
All right, everybody ready? Connor's going to fly his. Ooh, crash and burn. Okay, everybody throw theirs at once. Ready, set, go.